Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off keyboard sound on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do that, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down to go to additional settings, then go to languages and input, and then go to manage keyboards. Over here you will find all your keyboards. By default you want to go to Gboard. This is the default keyboard that we use on this device. And then over here we need to go to preferences, and then here we have sound on key press. If you turn on this option, then you will have the keyboard sound when you press any letter or any button on the keyboard, then you will make a sound. And of course you can also go to volume on key press. In order to adjust the volume, it can be set individually, and of course you can also set it to system default. And if you want to mute keyboard sounds, then you want to make sure that this option is disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.